how to fix Windows 11 taskbar not working is what I'm going to show you in this video. So mine is currently working, but if yours is just black or just white and doesn't have any of these links or buttons to open any of your programs, this is the solution for you. What you want to do is click Control Alt Delete, go to Task Manager. Now, once you're in the Task Manager, you want to click File, click Run New Task, and go and enter CMD. Create this task with administrative privileges. Tick that, click OK. This will open up the command prompt as an administrator, so you have all the rights you need to change the Windows settings. So all you got to do is now paste in this command that I will share with you in the description below. Once you do this and hit enter on your keyboard, your PC will restart automatically. Once you're restarted and back in your Windows, your taskbar should be fixed. That's how Windows 11 taskbar not working fixed. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.